What's next for you on your learning journey? Our brand new learning directory contains over 400 courses covering a variety of topics, including team performance, effective communication, project management, sales negotiation, time management, customer service, finance, personal development, and many more. Everyone who attends one of our face-to-face training courses gets complimentary access to our digital learning hub. Our hub has a collection of 20 playlists covering key business skills to help you develop further following your training. Your learning doesn't end when you leave a Hemsley Fraser training room. Contact us to order your copy of the directory or visit our website to download a copy today.